Okay, YouTube, this your boy Mark for Loose Screws and Views, back again another video. But you know how we do. Before we get started, let's get all that business and politicking out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Go ahead and subscribe. Alright, now that we got all that business and politicking out of the way, let's get to the video. Okay, YouTube, this your boy Mark, back again with another video. Today, I'm going to be doing a review of a dehumidifier from a company called SEAVON. Hope I'm saying the name right, SEAVON. Alright, some good tech for around your house, alright. And let's see here. This is the model number, where we at? Model number SN150 dehumidifier. Alright, let me give you some quick specs before we go ahead and open this bad boy up. It holds 35 ounces, 26 cubic feet or 285 square foot, has 7 color changing LEDs like a nightlight, what have you. And it said it's good for it has 2 working modes, good for basements, bedroom, or bathroom, or RV. Alright, and you can get it on Amazon for $48.98 at the time of this video. Alright, and let's see here. We also, I think they have a 5% coupon at the time of this video. Alright, but I'm gonna leave a link in the description box below where you can get this product. Alright, let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Alright, hope everybody's having a good and blessed day. Let's see what we got in this box. It's got the little email address on here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Got that little email address on the top of the box. It says it holds what, 1,000 milliliters. Let's see here. Open this bad boy, see what we got in the box. Take this top off. Take it out like this. Alrighty. Take this out. Let's put this box to the side. Get that box out of the way. Alright. Looks like you got a instruction booklet right here. Make sure you hold on to that. And it has a registered warranty card in there. So if you want to go ahead and register, you know, for warranty, that's always a good thing to do. Always get your warranty. Let's take this thing out of the there. Okay, check it out. Okay, here you go. Nice looking unit. Let me give you a little background on this unit. The company reached out to me because, you know, I was having an issue with the first one, and here's the first one. I got the old gen, and for some reason it wasn't you know, working. It wasn't strong enough for where I was using it, because I was using it in a small bathroom. So I was shocked for them to reach out to me and say, hey, you know, what's the problem with it? What's going on with it? And they had super customer service. They was like, hey, look, we want to make sure you're good to go, you're satisfied with your product. Let's go ahead and fix this situation. We're going to go out and send you a new one, an upgraded version. So they sent me out this new one. They wanted to make sure I was taken care of. So shout out to SEAVON for the excellent customer service. All right, let's take this out. This is like your little water tray. All right, top comes off. And you got your I guess this is the power cord. Yeah, regular proprietary power cord. All right, so you got to use this cord. So you use this cord, little plastic thing, I guess, to keep the foam in there, to keep it from moving around. All right, we'll put this back on here, and go ahead and put this back in here. I'm gonna put it in there, right? Yeah, before I put it in there, you see the little grooves in there, make it easy for you to guide it on in there. Also, while I got it on, they have a looks like they have on this one. It looks like they have a place where you can remove the back, kind of like a filter, what have you. So you can go be able to clean off the dust on this one. So that's a good look right there. So your device will last longer. Because on the other one, it didn't have this older version. Let me put this back in here. On the other older version, hold on, it didn't have that on there. So you see right here, all that dust will collect right here, and it was hard to get it out, you know. So you got to take like an old toothbrush and try to scrape that out, and that was just time consuming. So I'm glad that this one comes with the little filter, so you can just take it off, rinse it off with some warm soapy water, and put it back on there. But let it dry first. They got some also on here. They got some instructions on here on the back before you get started. Let's see here. Got little rubber stoppers on the bottom with some more little information on there, so you can pause this and read it for yourself. Alright, let's see here. On the top, it looks like you have your power buttons on top, power button and a light function button. So we're gonna go ahead and let me get this thing plugged up so we can take a look at it, get it started. Alright, now that we got it plugged up, we're going to go through some of the features, and I'm going to read some of the information from the instruction manual. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. I think I'm getting a message. Let's see what the message says. Email saying, oh, email from the SEAVON. Alright. They're saying a coupon code for all the subscribers, all the, whoever's watching the video. Let's see here. The coupon code is for 10% off this device here. And right now the current price is $48.98, but with the coupon code that I'm gonna give you, it'll be 10% off. So you want to hurry up and go check it out before the coupon code ends. I think the coupon code ends on the 5th. I'm not sure, but I might have, I'll email them back to check it out. But that's wild, that's crazy. In the middle of the video, I get an email about a coupon code for you guys. Too cool. Like I say, great customer service, and they're also looking to save you some money. All right, let's get back to the settings. That's too cool. But I'm gonna leave that the coupon code down in the description box below. So if you want the coupon code, go down there, click on the link, and then enter that coupon code for 10% off. All right. Let's hurry up and wrap this bad boy up. All right. Reading for the instructions, it says, so high-speed mode is entered by default when you turn the unit on. So long press to turn on. Alright, long press to turn on. That's the highest setting. And it says also, then press again and the fan slows down, it goes into sleep mode. So I'm gonna press it again. Okay, that's sleep mode, so you're in the sleep mode. And then long press it again, turns it off. Alright, let's go see how loud this thing is. I got the sound meter out so you can see how loud it is. Okay, long press to turn on. Alright, let's go ahead and go put it in the sleep mode. Slight difference. I will be able to sleep with that. It's not too bad. I would be able to sleep with it, but it depends on the individual, Alright, let's get to the light modes, alright? It says when you turn it on, when you turn the unit on, the light will switch between 7 colors by default. So let's go ahead and turn this bad boy on. Long press on. First, let's go ahead and turn the lights off in the studio. Long press on. Okay, now it's cycling through 7 different colors. as you can see here, 7 different colors. Press it again, and so it says press it like once and it will lock the current color. No, I think that's wrong. It'll go to breathing mode. Okay, yeah, I was reading it wrong. You press it twice. No, I was reading right. It'll lock the current color, and then it go into breathing mode and go to green, purple, blue, and cayenne. All right, all right. Like I say, I'm not an expert in all this stuff. I'm just a guy who loves tech, you know, to bring to you. All right, let's go ahead and press it again, so it stays at a steady, bright color. All right, press it one more time, and it goes back to cycling through all the colors. So that's a pretty neat feature. And then, like I said, long press to turn it off. All right, let's go ahead and turn the device off and get these lights turned back on in the studio. All right, now we got the lights turned back on. Like I said, it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. And it also says on the indicator light, when the red light flashes, it indicates that the water tank is full, and the water tank is not, or the water tank is not in place. So let me see here. So let me see if it's got like a float, because the other one right here has like some kind of a float in it. So I guess this new upgraded one has some kind of high-tech sensor in there, lets you know when it's full. But I'm gonna go ahead and test this out. Come on, camera, stop. Go ahead and focus, camera. Boy, hard to get good help. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and do a test for myself, so I can come back to you guys in a couple of days. So I'm gonna take about 2 days, set it up in the bathroom, see how much water it collects, and I'm gonna come back to you. I'm gonna let you see how much water it collected after 2 days. All right, 2 or 3 days, what have you. All right, hold tight. Okay, YouTube, the boy Mark is back again to go ahead and finish up the review on this dehumidifier from SEAVON. All right, but before we go any further, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, notification bell, so you'll be notified of new videos, and go ahead and smash that like button. All right, but let me give you a refresher of some of the specs before we go any further. All right, like I said, it holds 35 ounces. Let's see here, 35 ounces. Like it said, it has a night light, 7 different colors, has 2 working modes, a high and a sleep mode, and it's a space saving unit. All right, just a quick little refresher on the specs for it. Like I said, I said I was going to do, wait 2 days or maybe 3 days before coming back and finishing the review, but after seeing the results in just 24 hours, I was kind of shocked. Also, this is something I forgot too. It's a portable too. It's got a nice little handle on it, so it's easy to carry right there. That's something I forgot. And like I said, if it's something I forgot, go ahead and hit the link down below. Also, like I said, I'm not an expert in all this stuff. I'm just a guy who loves tech. So if you need any more specs, go ahead and click on that link. But check this out. After 24 hours, wow, it collected way more than the other one. Like I said, after seeing the results, I was like, wow, just in 24 hours, the other one wouldn't have collected nowhere near that much water in 24 hours. But I did notice something though. I wanted to plug this one back in just to see, how it sounds, see if it sounded any different than the other one. And yes, it's a big difference, because this one has a stronger motor in it, stronger fan, or whatever it is, it's stronger. And this one, isn't as strong as this one. Also, look at the size comparison too. Let's go ahead and check out the sizes of it. The size we got, we're looking at just about 10 on this one, on the newer model, In the older model, we're looking at about 8.5 inches. So yeah, it's a big difference. It's a big difference. Like I said, this one doesn't come close to this one. So the newer model, telling you, it's I mean, it blows this one away, and I was surprised. So that's why I'm coming back and finishing the review, getting tongue-tied, finishing the review after 24 hours instead of waiting 2 days. Cause I was like, wow. And plus, I wanted to make sure you guys don't miss out on the 10% coupon code that I'm gonna put down in the description box below. So you guys won't miss out on that deal. And I don't know how long that's gonna last, but I want to make sure you guys can be able to take advantage of that coupon code. All right, like I said, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box where you can get the product. And if there's anything that I forgot, you know, to mention in the video, all you got to do is go ahead and click on that link, and it'll take you to the website where to Amazon, where you can get it from, and then you can see more specs there. Like I said, you know, I'm not an expert. This guy loves tech and bringing stuff to you guys so you guys can check out. You know, I'm a consumer just like you guys are. Alright? Alright, so if you made it this far, go ahead, hit the like, subscribe, notification bell, notify new videos. Tell a friend, you know, like I always say, tell a friend. And like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated. Alright? And let's see. The message for today is stay humble. Always stay humble. Because good things come to humble people. Also, don't be arrogant and obnoxious, because nothing good comes from that. You know, people kind of tend to shy away from obnoxious and rude and, you know, arrogant people. So stay humble, because good things come to humble people. Alright? That's the message for today. This has been your boy Mark for UNBOX Reviews. Drop the mic and I'm out. Peace.